Hello, my little violin friends. Here's a video to help you learn golden slippers. Now, this is not the traditional arrangement that you might find. This is specifically for my violin class students. We have our arrangement. So if you are here from YouTube land, this may not be the arrangement you are looking for. But maybe it is. All right, make sure you're looking at your music. And before we start, we're just going to practice that little bit that happens in the first measure, right? This part. That part right there. So this is beat 3 of the first full measure, and we're going to play 2-1 in a down bow, and then A, and then 1. Alright, so it's going to go 2-1, A, 1. Let's do that a few times together. You ready? 2-1, A, down bow. 2-1, A, 1. Ready, play. You should be at the top of your bow. Let's do it again. Go to the bottom of your bow. 2-1, A. Ready, play. One more time to the bottom of your bow. Remember to get those first 2 notes in a slur. They both go in the same bow. 1, 2, ready, play. Good. So now we have to add it to our notes. Let's try that slowly. 1 on D, extra slow. I'm going to tell you the notes, even though I know you're working on reading them. All right, we have 1 on D. Ready? 1, A, 2 on A. Here's our slur. Back to 2 on A. It's a C sharp. Now, 1 on D, A, C sharp. Third finger plays D, C sharp. Now here's our slur, C sharp to B. Okay? Now I know the rhythm was a little weird there because I was talking. So let's try the whole first line with a nice slow but steady tempo. Here we go. 1 on D. 1 and 2 and 3 and slur. A little bit faster. Okay, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Okay, practice that until you get that part. Then, by the way, I know there's 2 more notes in that measure. I know. Okay, those notes are called the pickup. Just like the very first 2 notes that are by themselves before the A section, the pickup to the A section, this is just the pickup to the next little phrase here. So when we start the second line, we actually start on those notes right there, those last 2 notes of the first line. So let's start right there, the last 2 notes of the first line. All right, 1 on D, and we're going to play. Here's the second line, 1 on A, 1 on A. And now here we have another little trick. Slur. Those notes are B, A, B, C sharp, which is 1, A, 1, 2. Let's try it. Ready? 1, A, 1, 2, ready, go. Slur. 1, 2. Yeah, well, one more time. 1 on A, ready, go. Okay, so let's start on that pickup again. Last 2 notes of the first line. 1 on D. Ready, play. 1, A, 1, 2. Back to 1. Back to 1 on D. 1 on A. 3 on A. 2. that was a lot right there. So, pick up to measure 7. It's the last 2 notes of measure 6. Put your 1 on the D string. Here we go. Ready, play. 1 on A. 3, 2, 1. 1 slurs to A. Good. Okay, let's go back. Let's take the pickup to measure 5. Okay. Now, I'm going to go back to the beginning, and I'm going to play it kind of fast. So I want you to look at your music, and I want you to point to each note as I play it. I want you to notice which bows are short, which bows are long, and where the slurs are. Okay? So here we go. This is the first 2 lines. Ready? You're just going to point. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now from there it's almost the same. Okay, I'm going to keep playing and I want you to notice where it's different. So here's those last 2 notes of the second line. You ready? Just look and point. 1, 2, 3. Okay, did you notice? Plus I gave you a hint. Did you notice? Okay. So, it's the same, except for in measure 10, we have a little double note there, which means we have to do a bow circle. And then again in measure 14, we have those 8th notes, those short bows instead of one long one, and we have to do another bow circle. So, see if you can play with me. I'll go slower, and here we are, the pickup to measure 9, the last 2 notes of the second line. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3 and. Long, short, short, long. Circle. Long, short, short, long. Circle. Alright, that's the whole A section. So here I'm going to play the whole A section now without stopping. You can see if you can play with me. Alright, here we go. Ready? Very beginning. 1 on D. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good luck. I'll make another video for the B section when we're ready. Okay, practice well.